Line official account. Your ads. Sorry. Sorry.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Hi everyone, welcome to DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia. My name is Joanna and I am a marketing manager working here at SoftBank Telecom Europe. Welcome to our new series where we teach you everything you have to know about most popular Japanese digital marketing platforms. Let's start with Line. Today I will take you through everything you have to know before you start advertising on Japan's most popular app. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and keep on watching this video because it is packed with very important information. Are you ready? Let's go! For all of those not familiar with the Japanese market, Line is Japan's most popular messenger app with over 90 million monthly users. There are several reasons behind its success, including its unique animated stickers that you can send to your friends, and a huge network of other integrated services. Unlike WhatsApp, which is hugely popular in the West, Line is now considered to be a super app and is a perfect platform for businesses to advertise their products and services in Japan. So we already spoke about what Line is a little bit more in the video over here. I'm going to link it, so make sure to check this out. We also discussed how brands use Line to do digital marketing in Japan in this one, so make sure to check both of these videos.
After you watch this one, of course.
Line official accounts are used for brands to connect with their customers. Brands can share current updates and offers with their audience as well as provide customer support. With the official account, you can send general updates, sales and marketing promotions, and special Line exclusive deals to users who are friends with your business. Online, we don't have followers or subscribers. People who want to stay up to date with your account become your friends. When you're sending a message, your Line friends will get notified just like when they get a message from their social network. We spoke more about the benefits of having Line official account in the video over here. So again, watch this video first and then go check this one as well. Just to give you a little bit more detail in what you can do with Line official account, let me read some of the basic features. You can message users either one-on-one or by a segment. You can do A/B test messaging and manage the number of messages you're sending out. You can post on the timeline, share coupons, chat with the customers, and you can also set up automatic responses and conduct customer service surveys. Customer service surveys. And conduct customer service surveys. Once you have your Line official account ready to go and it is linked with your Japanese Line account, it must be linked with the Japanese Line account, then you're ready to start your online campaigns with Line ads. Let's discuss a few of the most important features of Line ads, and let's start with ad formats. There are 5 different formats that you can use. First one is cards. Card format can be used for still images and videos. Cards can be used for a wide variety of placements, including talk lists, Line Voom, which is former timeline, Line News, etc. Next one is square format. Square format can be used for still images and videos. Similar to cards, square format is supported across a wide range of ad placements. Third one is vertical. Vertical format is a video-only format and is optimized for Line Voom's large screen display. Line Voom's ratio is 3:4 with top and bottom parts cut off, so it is important not to include subtitles or important information in those areas. Once user taps the screen, the video switches to full screen. So basically how it works, you're just scrolling, you see a video that you're interested in and it doesn't take up the full screen, but
Oh, that's interesting.
you click on it and then it goes into the full screen mode. I think it's kind of like Reels on Instagram at the moment. Yeah. The fourth format is carousels. Carousels allow to include up to 10 images in a slideshow format. It's compatible with Line Dynamic Ads, which displays ads for specific products users might have an interest in based on their browsing history, as well as Line Voom, part of Line News, Line Blog, and Line Point Club. And the final format I would like to mention is called small image or image and text. This format is a simple ad format consisting of image and text. It is displayed in users' most used talk lists. And in this situation, description is not displayed. When you're working on your perfect line ad creative, it is important to remember about the following: desired action you want users to take after they see your ad, correct format and size, and the ad placement. Speaking of ad placements, there are several different areas within the app where your ads can appear. First one is the talk lists. I already mentioned talk list before, but I didn't really explain what it is. So talk list is kind of like a chat. When you choose this placement, your ads would appear on top of the user's chats with their friends. Second placement is line news. Ads appear within the news feed and can also appear in one of 324 media partner accounts. Voom, which previously was called Line Timeline, has recently been reborn and revamped into a video platform. As we've been noticing over the past years, dynamic content is simply taking over the still images. So on Voom, users can post videos and enjoy all sorts of short content. Line Manga, this is Japan's largest online comic book service. Line Blog, this feature is actually frequently used by Japanese celebrities who want to communicate with their fans. Blog posts are integrated with their Line official account and also get posted on their timeline. And if you're using this placement, the ads would appear within the blog. Line Points, service that allows users to collect points when completing certain tasks and missions online. Line Shopping is an e-commerce platform within the Line app. It gathers over 250 merchants and over 1 million products. Line Ads Network. This placement allows advertisers to deliver their ads to Line and Line-related services. It boasts Japan's largest ad inventory with 54 million monthly users. Other digital advertising platforms, there is a lot of settings you can use to help you target the perfect audience. You can obviously select the preferred user's demographic, like age, gender, location, religion, interest, operating system, and so on and so on. You can also do audience targeting, which would display your ads to a very selected audience segment. For example, first-time buyers. You can also do image click targeting. So this one was launched this year and it helps you remarket to users who are not tracked due to Apple's ITP. You can do lookalike audience targeting. The Line algorithm will find similar users based on web traffic, in-app purchases, and users' other friends online. You can also do re-engagement targeting, which would target users who have, let's say, downloaded your app or purchased your products previously but have not been engaging with you over the past few months. Well, let's discuss what types of ads are available. There is one very unique ad that is exclusive to Line. It's called Cost Per Friend, or simply CPF. Through these ads, people can build up their friends base. What's worth noticing is that only verified Line official accounts can use this feature and can also offer different promotions and discounts throughout the duration of the campaign. This feature allows users to become friends with the business by clicking the Add Friend button while they are watching a promotional video or display ad that is being shown on the screen. This makes the experience very seamless, as the users don't have to
click out and then go to the account and then, search for the button and then click. It all
happens very seamlessly. So this type of campaign is perfect for the businesses who want to engage with their audience a little bit more and who want to create this loyal fan base within the Line app. And it basically tries to get users to follow the company's Line official account. So this is certainly a very unique feature of Line ads. It can help businesses who want to have better engagement and who want to increase their sales through promotional activities they do online. Next ad type is called First View. This one is limited to one ad per official account per day. This feature allows businesses to display their ad for 24 hours on top of all Line users' timelines. And the third type of Line ads is display ads. Based on what type of products and services users have viewed in the past, Line's algorithm will find users who might be interested in your products and display the ads directly to them. Each ad is personalized to each user, and you can also use different URLs that would link to different products, and this really helps increasing the conversion rates. Okay, let's do a little recap and go through a checklist of everything you have to do before you start advertising on Line ad platform. Number 1, you have to apply for a Line official account. Here at Digital Marketing for Asia, we have a special system in place which will allow you to open a Line official account within 4 working days if your business is registered in Japan. But don't worry if you do not have a Japanese office. We can still help you with an unverified official account, and we can also link it to Line Ads platform. Second point, you have to define your target audience. Third point, very important, you have to have all of your ad creatives and website fully localized into Japanese. And this one is tricky because you will not be able to run ads online unless your website is fully localized. Don't worry again if your website is not localized yet. We offer fully comprehensive localization services and definitely can help you with that. So if you need help with anything, let me know. Number 4, choose your desired ad placements. You can choose Line ads only, or you can go for displaying ads over the whole Line network. Number 5 is to set up the targeting measures and the ad spend budget. And lastly, don't forget to set up tags to track all of those conversions that will be coming through. Obtaining the Line official account can be quite tricky, and all of the paperwork is done in Japanese. We at DMFA are the official overseas partners of Line and provide all sorts of Line services, from helping you to open the Line official account all the way through campaign setup and account management. We also have this pretty handy Line official account starter guide that you can see on the screen right now. I'm going to leave the link to the contact form in the description down below. If you need help with setting up the account or you want us to send you the guide, just get in touch through the form and we can schedule a free consultation session with one of our Line experts to see how we can help you grow your business in Japan. As usual, the link to the contact form is in the description down below. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you could learn something new about running ads online. If there is something more that you would like to know about Line ads, Line official account, all the whole application process, please let me know in the comment down below and we will try to make a video answering all of your questions. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. We post a new video every Monday. Okay, so that's it for today. So once again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!